Hello everyone. Are you familiar with the Barbie filter on TikTok and want to try it out? I will show you how to find and use it to create fun pictures of yourselves as Barbies. Open the TikTok app. Tap on the search button. Enter Barbie filter. If the first one isn't the same as mine, find it by tapping the See More button. Tap on the first one here. Now, tap on the Use This Effect button and get ready to take a photo. I have prepared some photos from the Pexels website to demonstrate the process. Wait a few seconds. And there you have it. You will get a picture of yourself as a Barbie. You can share and save the picture. I will try it on another photo. It looks great. If the video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel.